buffet eating by myself. I've never done this before, and I just got a ham sandwich and I'm going to eat it. Then I'm going to go back and maybe do a little bit of pottery before I go home. This is my first time throwing with porcelain, and it's not so bad. I thought it was going to be way harder to use. So here's the one that I did here today, and I did this little guy too. That one I'm not as big of a fan of, but this one turned out really cute. I think I'm happy with that. I took my pottery classes, I did the 8-week course, and I decided to get a membership at the studio where I did the class, and I am really liking it so far. I've only been able to go once because it's just really hard for me to get out and go because it's kind of far away from me, to be fair, but it's been really fun. I met with the owners and they are just the nicest people ever, and it was really nice because I do have the wheel at home and I have the kiln and I have all of that stuff. The main reason I wanted to sign up for the studio to be a member is for the community. I really want to have more community. I want to talk to people. I want to get out of this and into community, and it's fun. So I'm really looking forward to it. I did it the other day and it was really great just being around a lot of other people doing the same thing and just in that creative space, and there's no judgment and it doesn't feel like anyone cares. Sometimes when you sign up for something like that, I don't know if you guys have ever been, like I remember one time we signed up for a rock climbing membership at this rock climbing place, and the people there were so elitist and weird. Like we would try to go in and they would treat us like we were scum. It was so weird. Like I know that sounds really dramatic, but we stopped going because they had like a little social. It was like a rock climber social, and basically you go in and like if you drink, like you can have a beer and like there's some food and then like you can climb. And one of the people, like I don't know if she was an employee or one of the members of the studio, but when we started to go in, she was like, no. And we were like, why? And she was like, you're not members here. And we were like, yes, we are. And she's like, prove it. It was so weird. And we had to like, we entered the code for the door in front of her, and she's like, oh. I'm like, what do you mean we're not, like, we don't look like member enough? Yeah, we're kind of chubby, but like, we can climb some rocks. I don't know. It was really weird. She was not the only one. We got very, very weird vibes from them. So I kind of thought that pottery was going to be similar, and apparently some places can be a little bit like that. Like a lot of times when there's a niche, people can get kind of weird about it. But so far, everybody that is at this pottery studio is so bloody nice. Like very welcoming, very friendly, very accommodating, and zero judgment and no like elitist weird attitudes. Just really, really nice. So that's been really, really cool, and I'm very excited about that. So I actually have a pottery shelf back here. I don't know if you guys can see all of the stuff that's sitting over there. A big thing I need to do is I need to do it. I need to finally underglaze it. And I have 2, 4, 6, I don't know, 40 different colors of underglaze that I got from Seattle Pottery Supply. I'm going to just get to work. You can see one that I did. I wanted to test it out first at the pottery studio to see what it looks like, because I had never used underglaze before, and it just turned out so beautiful. That piece that you see that has the mushrooms and all the different wildflowers on it, that one I dipped in clear glaze, and it should be fired by now, so I need to head up to the pottery studio and check it out. And yeah, I'm very excited to see how that turned out, and it'll just have like a clear glaze over the top. I get the question a lot every single time that I show my pottery or anything like that is, are you going to sell it? And the answer is absolutely yes. That is the plan. Eventually, the whole plan would be to be a full-time artist, full-time potter, full-time painter, full-time artist. But it is, you know, it takes a lot more time than like just to make a YouTube video. I'm not quitting YouTube either. I'm going to keep going with YouTube as well. Hope was for spring. If I can start busting ass, I can do that, but it's hard because we don't have any childcare at all, and you would think like, yeah, that's not that hard because, you know, just let them be there for it. But like, it's not that simple when they're 4. Yeah, hopefully I will have some items for sale soon. I'll get a website. I'll get a, I don't know, what is it, Shopify, and I will have like a announcement video, and I'll talk about a drop, and yeah, it'll be really fun. I have at least, probably 15 or 20 different mugs so far that I've made, and now I just need to paint and glaze them. So it's very exciting. All right, well, I thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you at my next video. Bye!